What's up everybody, Tim Vex here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna make a very quick DIY video on how to remove the Saree Guard, which I call the barbecue grill, from your Interceptor 650. Let's see how to do it. The aesthetics of the Interceptor 650 is amazing, but sadly this Saree Guard spoils the entire look. Luckily though, it's very easy to remove the Saree Guard and I'll show you how. So basically the Saree Guard is held in its position by these two bolts. So you got to remove those two bolts, and then it's held by this small hook right over there. So you just have to pop it out of that. So the tool required to do this job is a size 12 spanner, which is already given in the toolkit. There you have it. So we're going to use this to remove these bolts. So I've removed the Saree Guard, and all I did was just to remove these two bolts and then pull it out of this bracket. Now I'm gonna put these bolts back here because otherwise this thing is freely suspended, which is not advisable. So I'm gonna bolt these back. You can remove this mount as well if you want to. This mount is attached to the tailpipe, the left tailpipe. So you have to remove these bolts, remove the mount, and then again bolt this back. But if you have this on, then it is very easy to mount the Saree Guard back on if required. So yeah, that's why I've chosen to leave this here and I'm not removing it. So there you have it guys. It's so easy to remove the Saree Guard from your Interceptor 650. All you need is this one single tool, size 12 spanner, and that is included already in your Interceptor's toolkit. So there you have it. Hope you found this video to be useful. If you did, then hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more content, and I'll catch up with you all in the next one.